Yes, hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. I'm VJ and you're now watching another episode of my reaction for today. So for today guys, I'm going to react on a recommendation from a comment in my last episode with Beanie. And I was told to react on Beanie Moments I Think About a Lot, English subtitle. And this is from Strawberry Beanie 8 days ago. Okay, let's go. The other members are singing while Juana is eating. Stacy and Sheena. Beanie moments I think about a lot. Okay, ano yan guys? Ano yan? Oh.
Itsura ko. Wow! Wow! Thank you po!
Aya, no pilit.
No, no. No, no, kilit. Sabihin mo pa.
In our language, in Bisaya, there is a pilit that is called sticky rice. Is it in Tagalog? Pilit, like forced.
Para sa akin.
Okay. Aya online kumpisal. Oh.
Okay, may nagsabi, bading po ako.
Hmm.
Girl sing. Okay, next.
Joloy and Sears duo.
Yun yung bata pa kasi kami. Ito favorite namin to ni Ate Maloy. American yoga kasi
Yeah. What is your favorite yoga pose?
This one.
Okay, do it.
How about you?
Mine is this.
Wow, the effort. I love it.
Yeah.
Yes, yan. Bago kami matulog.
I love that, the effort.
Ng mom.
Ng yoga book?
Yoga book. Actually, ang dami talaga namin doon natutunan. Tapos, naiyak ako.
Nag-miss ko siya eh.
Anyways, bye!
Stacy, meow. 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 That's not meow, that's Mao. The Skiro Como Live of OA Line. The Bardagulan. That's Stacy and Juana. Tricks. Ooh. I love that they are so proud of their own. I mean, the other members doing their hidden talent. Classmates mo tuwing recess. Sheena snatching Bloom's phone. Ooh.
Run.
She's really running all the way. Chinito, yan Constantino.
Sige, tawa lang ng tawa. Ha. Ako pa ba ay nakikita?
That's slang version.
Ang itsura ko. Kapag kausap na ikar. Sino naman nagkakakinggan?
She's so cute. At the same time, so cheeky.
Ang aking hangin at damdamin. Oh,
Oh,
Chinitor. Chinitor.
she's so cute. Anyway, Laken, demo version.
See, I got you liking you and liking me. Everybody in the world, it's just you and me. And I won't stop until the world until you stop in loving me. And I know I don't care you, but you're gonna love me.
Oh, itiko mo ang bibig mo para
Tawa
ano.
naman tawa, di naman narinig.
Tawa kayo ng tawa. Bakit? Gusto niyo ba mag-asawa? O, iti ko mang bibig mo para...
Mikaya Gwen falling on a sofa. Gwen is on the back. I almost not see her. Ooh. It's not caught on live. Oh, they fall. And the comments goes ha 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 ha.
Tumayo na! Tayo! Oh my God, sorry po!
Orange Sheena versus
Gus,
blue.
wag niya pansinin yung orange. Wag niya pansinin.
She's so cute.
Ano hindi mo papansin?
Wag na kasing pansinin. Isipin niya na, ganyan talaga yung tsura ko in real life. Bakit yung orange naman? Bilog naman yung mukha niya na. Hindi ba ako mukha normal?
The
Ang
normal.
lapit kasi, babe. Kaya wala na?
Joanna randomness. That's it. Anyway, that's Beanie Moments I think about a lot. English subtitle by Strawberry Binny. So there are still a lot of videos in here. A fun moment. Just gonna watch that in my next episode. This is such a crazy compilation. I mean, I love that they got their own, all of them got their own take on, being crazy. So funny. So iconic, right? Anyway, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for actually recommending this video to me. I'm gonna watch other Beanie moments and funny moments in my next episode. For now, guys, thank you and goodbye.